So hi, I'm Suraj. I'm one of the project managers here at Sandfield. I've been here for just under a decade, so getting towards about 9 years. So I started as a software developer in the Main Street team, which is Mainfreight's transport management system. And eventually I found myself being more involved with the people and business side of things. And naturally, I progressed my career into project management. So as a developer, I'd always be curious about, the holistic side of business rather than just the function that I was developing for. So I would often raise questions with the senior managers around, especially with the clients around how they conducted business around sustainability, growth, and profit. And eventually the same with Sandfield. And I started to make suggestions in different ways we can grow the business, how we can recruit talent, how we can grow the organization. Some of them got taken on board, and naturally my role progressed into that project management side of things, where I was involved with more so with the businesses. Clients that Sandfield generally have are more so partners than just a transactional client. And so when I started as a junior, I really felt like they were part of my learning journey. They treated me like we were working in the same company and really helped facilitate my growth. And as I've kind of grown into the management kind of space, as I'm leading a team, the clients I work with now are really helpful in terms of growing the juniors here as well. So they'll really support that journey and also help us get our team involved to help them. Sandfield also has a soft skills training program that we run a few times a year, 3 or 4 times a year, that comes in and trains us on how we communicate with people, different types of clients, understanding that different people think differently, they need information in different ways. Really helps us, helps us think about what we are doing before we talk to another client. So some people might need things visually, some people might need things verbally, or some might need it in a written form. So those are the kind of things that help our team deal better with our clients. Yeah, so with 150 people here at Sandfield, you get different diverse ranges of people. So I was always into food, so we have food groups here at Sandfield. So after work or during lunches, we're always going out to different cuisines. I found myself getting into running because there's a running club here, and I attempted my first half marathon a couple of years ago, and so I had a really good support group for that. And also just things like getting out in the nature and going out and doing some of the great walks and going camping with the team has been great. Yeah, well, I've seen Sandfield grow from 60 to 150. I'm excited to see it grow to 300. I'm excited for Sandfield to, go outside of New Zealand and grow as a global company, make a bigger impact than what we're doing at the moment.